Hi, Lee Phillips here. Talking about powers of attorney, we did a YouTube video a minute ago about the durable power of attorney. That takes over when the individual, the principal, you, become incompetent. We've had a request for the general power of attorney also. General power of attorney is just you're giving someone else the power to do something on your behalf. I remember when I was a little kid, and I was pretty little, like 4 or 5. My uncle went to Vietnam. No, he didn't go to Vietnam. He went to Korea in the military. And he had just purchased a brand new pink Thunderbird convertible. He took me for a ride in it. He had to sell it, and I remember this as a little kid. He gave Grandpa a power of attorney. It just said, I'm going on military service. I'm giving my father, John Doe, the power to sell my pink Thunderbird convertible, VIN number, whatever. And he signed it. I don't even think he notarized it. I'd have it signed and notarized today. But all you have to do is describe the power that you're going to give this individual. The power to sell this piece of property, the power to access a bank account, the power to do whatever. Now the bank isn't going to like the access the bank account because you need to tell the bank you're giving this guy the power. Otherwise, he shows up and the bank's going to say, wait a minute, how do we know that Dad didn't give somebody else the power to access the bank account? So banks are unusual. But generally, you're going to describe the act that this guy's going to do, and you're going to put a date on it. 1, the date you sign it, and 2, this power lasts until such and such a date. This power lasts until the Thunderbird is sold. So you put a limit in it, and that way it isn't going on forever. If you become incompetent or if you die, the general power of attorney immediately kicks out. Actually, the durable power of attorney kicks out too when you die. But the general kicks out when the individual becomes incompetent as well. That's why we usually do durable powers of attorney for these general issues in case mom or dad becomes incompetent. So the general power of attorney, very easy. Sign it, notarize it, date it, put time limits on it, and describe who and what you want them to do. And you basically have a power of attorney at that point. This is Lee Phillips talking about how to do a general power of attorney, not a durable power of attorney. Now don't forget to love us and like us. In fact, share with other people. Our videos are actually pretty good, so let them know we're out here. We'll catch you later.